Meet the NewKitchen steaming brush I was just gifted. This is one standout brush. It is using Kevlar fabric and this sponge-like material to steam clean your grill. So instead of using metal, which can damage some grills or actually leave little metal pieces on the grill that can then get into your food, this cleans so beautifully without any potential damage or leaving anything potentially in your food. And it has these metal corners here that are great for getting in all those little gaps. And best of all, this entire piece comes off, and then you can wash this, you can toss it in the dishwasher, you can get this piece perfectly clean. And I actually really like that the handle is this very stable plastic, as this should last forever. I mean, come on, it's plastic, it's gonna last forever. But it also is sturdy enough and thick enough that I don't think it's going anywhere. It's truly going to be useful in your home forever, and you can get more of these over time, but this should last a really long time as well. And once you clean it, you can just snap it right back into place and you're ready to go. Now, I've already used this, and what I also think is great is since they went with black fabric, it's not as obvious that I've already cleaned with it, but you will want to clean it from time to time, even if it's not obvious to you. And I'm going to show you just how fantastic this is. Now, all you need for this is a hot grill and some water. Oh, let me show you how it's done. Now, my grill is super hot and it is covered in barbecue sauce. I made barbecue chicken last night that I had already cleaned this for. Before that, it had cheese on it. It was definitely dirty. Took a bit of cleaning. This did a beautiful job. I cooked my chicken, and I normally would use this again after cooking so this stays clean, but I wanted to let it stay overnight just to show you how great this works. All I'm gonna do is get it wet, and then I'm gonna wait a moment as I wanna show you that close up. And here it is. I just want you to really see how much buildup is on there right now. And while I recognize that my barbecue is disgusting in a lot of ways, all I really care about is this grill. So I have this wet, probably too wet actually, and then I'm just going to scrub. And on the first scrub through, it took off most of it. It's already looking so much better. You can see the spots that are more built up. Now, I can keep scrubbing with the Kevlar side, but that's actually better for the scrapers. And you have slightly different scraper edges on each corner for what you want to get into. And then of course you have this entire flat edge as well if you need to scrape with that. Now, depending on your grates, you might not want to scrape at all, but this gives you this option. And now that I did a really quick scrape, I can just go again. And it's already basically cook ready, but I'm just going to go one more time. I cannot get over how well this cleans my utterly disgusting barbecue in no time. This truly is the design of the future when it comes to barbecue cleaners. And what I really love about NewKitchen is that not only is it giving you this brilliant design, but it's actually at a really nice price point. I have tested another one of these that's made out of metal. It's a really, really nice cleaner as well, but it has the price tag to go with that. And NewKitchen has made this very accessible and gives you exactly what you need. This is a great barbecue scrubber.